Hi, and welcome to a short presentation for Arctic Products. Arctic Products have been around now for almost 30 years, producing a range of pipe freezing products from aerosols through the polar kits and onto our electric kits. Our aerosols will freeze from 8mm to 22mm. Our polar kits go from 8mm to 61mm, and with our electric kits, anything up to 61mm or even 88mm with our adapter kit. To tell you something about the way our pipe freezing systems work, the refrigerant that's used is called 1,3,4-A. It's quite common in the motor industry, and the reason they use it in the motor industry is quite simply because it goes so cold and it's so effective and very, very efficient. To demonstrate the efficiency of the 1,3,4-A, we'll just trickle some of this out of the can onto the probe, and you'll notice just how fast the temperature drops and to how cold it will go. In many cases as low as minus 50 degrees C. Now we want to do a practical demonstration of how we freeze a pipe using the Polar pipe freezing kit from Arctic Products. Okay, simply take one of the jackets from the kit, wrap the jacket around the pipework, simply tie up the two toggles, which will secure a good leak-free fit. So the next step is to fit the polar valve to the polar canister. This happens by simply screwing it onto the top of the can, like so. We then connect the link pipe from the polar can down to the jacket. And at that, you are now ready to initiate polar pipe freeze. So here we go. So with the jacket attached and the polar can in place, we've also set up a small demonstration rig here. So what we're going to do now is actually activate a live freeze for you. This is done quite simply by just opening the valve, allowing the gas to trickle into the jacket. We don't need to put it in fast. The idea of these refrigerants, as they come out as a fluid, they're then going to evaporate into a gas. It's the gas that's nice and cold that's going to initiate that freeze. So by trickling the gas into the jacket now, we'll create that minus 50 environment within the jacket and therefore freeze the pipe within 2 minutes on 15mm. And as you hear that click, that tells you that the pipe is actually now frozen. So within 2 minutes the pipe will be frozen. In many cases a little less. And that's just an indication of the freeze that's initiated within the pipework. Of course the size plug will take in quite a length of the pipe, and it's the expansion device against the shoulder wall that will stop the plug from moving. So as you can see, it's fast, it's very easy to use and extremely convenient. Polar pipe freezing. So onto the polar kits. Just to give you an overview of the systems available, with the Polar Professional kit, which goes from an 8 to 15mm jacket and up to a 22mm jacket. We're right through the range to the industrial units, which we can see here, covering right up to 61mm as well. This is the Polar Professional kit. This one covers from 8mm to 22mm pipework. Within the kit, polar bottle, the larger jacket up to the 22mm, two of those, two of the smaller jackets as well. The reason for the two jackets is quite simply there's a T-piece within the kit that will allow a dual freeze to isolate any section of pipework, valve, be it what you will. There's also a set of scales within the kit. The scales are there to measure off the amount of refrigerant left in the can at any one time, and we put a refrigeration guide against the weight of the bottle and against the style and type and diameter of the pipework that you may wish to freeze. So there we have it, the Polar range. Fast, convenient and easy to use. Thank you for taking the time to watch our DVD and our video presentation. Thank you once again.